I was in the north part of the island of Zanzibar in Tanzania in the east part of Africa, but I was about to leave the country and go somewhere else. However, today I would go out on a famous snorkeling trip to an island called Mnemba that is owned by Bill Gates. Hello everybody, welcome to another video. It's 7:45 in the morning and today I'm going out to one of the most famous islands here outside the island of Zanzibar in Tanzania, where I'm at now. It's an island called Mnemba and it's owned by Bill Gates. It's a private island also, and you cannot get on the island. You get a big fine if you try to get on the island, but you have some of the best snorkeling just outside of the island, so that's what we will be doing now. And also you can see dolphins around this island, so I'm just gonna have some breakfast here at this hotel and then head out to the beach and go on a boat trip. Unfortunately, it's a bit cloudy today. The weather has been great here lately, but I'll be having some breakfast down there and then head out. So I'm walking over to the boat now and the beach, and I'm a bit nervous because I usually get seasick when I go on a boat. It's gonna be about an hour boat ride out to this island, so hopefully I don't throw up. One time I was seasick for 3 days straight. That was not good. Felt like a horrible sickness. Now we are ready to go. There's a big group of people, but I don't know how many we're gonna go on each boat. Looks quite the waves are kind of choppy today. The waves were huge. We all got on a small boat that would take us about an hour off of the coast of the island of Zanzibar in the east part of Africa and the country of Tanzania. The island, Mnemba, is located east of the north part of the island of Zanzibar. The boat was small and overcrowded, and it took a while before we got going, but eventually we started heading out. Two people from Norway here. We passed by Bill Gates' private island. There's a hidden resort in the middle and in between the green areas, but you can't see it from any angle. But for $1,500 per night you can stay the night apparently on the island. I don't know if this is true, but some local people had told me that Bill Gates comes with a helicopter sometimes and lands in the middle of the island. We have arrived here about a mile or 1,600 meters off of the mainland. You have about 40 boats here going crazy looking for the dolphins. You can see them over here. So it's a bit packed with people here. Everybody wants to get their chance to swim with the dolphins. We have a group of about 10 people over here trying their luck. We had arrived to an area outside of the island where dolphins can be seen every day, but also every day there are about 30 or 40 boats that look for the dolphins. I jumped in to also look for the dolphins, and I could see them by the bottom, but they were just too far away. I went a bit closer, but just couldn't hold my breath long enough.
So everybody's going a bit crazy here searching for the dolphins. We haven't seen any, but the boats keep going further over there. So I think we have to get up on the boat again, go further out and do another try.
We tried again, but the dolphins were just too far away. I would guess that all the people were scaring them. I was probably about 15 meters deep, but it just wasn't enough to get a glimpse of the dolphins. Instead, we started heading over to what is known to be the best reef on the whole island of Zanzibar. We had arrived to a reef called Kiwengwa that is between 4 and 35 meters deep. I swam down deeper to look at the corals, and every time I go snorkeling, it's like I wander into a different world for a bit of time. here at the sandbank now, and this is Bill Gates Island. You get a big fine if you get onto the island because it's a private island. Somebody told me $1,000 or $2,000 fine. We were on the way back and the boat started bouncing on the water, so I started feeling seasick again, and also the water was coming in your face like a whip. I almost threw up and the salt water kept coming, but I put on the snorkeling mask to get protection. Great success. We have arrived back, finally. Actually, it was really the trip was not that great. I was so bumpy, the waves were huge on the way back, and got so much water in my eyes. The water just came like a whip. Yeah, that was the one and only boat trip I would be doing probably, or I did one before out to see the turtles, Prison Island, the big turtles, but probably no more trips. But it was also a bit bad luck today with the weather, lots of wind and big waves. Usually the waves are not like that. One thing also here in Zanzibar, 95% of the roads are gravel or like this. So this is the hotel pool here where I've been staying. It's been raining today, but I met some people from Germany.
From Germany?
Finn.
Paderborn, grüß aus Paderborn.
Finn from Germany, Charlotta and Julius. Julius, yeah. Oof, I'm back in the hotel again. That was a crazy boat trip. I took a little nap here, I fell asleep. Quite an adventure. I was hoping for some calm sea, like a calm sea with really blue water. But unfortunately, things don't always happen the way we envision them to happen. 2 days later, I stayed in this hotel, but I woke up this morning and I forgot that this was my last day. So I had to pack my bag. It actually happens quite frequently when I travel that I just don't have anywhere to stay, so I just packed my bag, and right now I'm homeless at the moment because I had to be out from here already 1 hour ago. So what I'm gonna do is take my bag, walk out on the street, and then try to make a decision where I'm gonna go, what I'm gonna do. Sometimes it's quite frustrating when you do that, when you just don't plan ahead of time and then you end up having nowhere to stay for the night. But that's also an adventure because you never know where you're gonna end up when you don't plan your life ahead of time. Take life as it comes. It's quite nice to take life as it comes, actually. Here, I did a flip from here and also over there the other day. So let's see where this day will be taking me. That's the question. Here comes the taxi. Maybe I should get in the taxi and go somewhere. Maybe I should go back to Kendwa. Kendwa was quite nice. Yeah, I might do that. This island, it's not cheap and it's not that expensive either, but like some things are expensive, like taxi. I'll be taking a taxi now. It will be $10, 20,000 shilling for like a 5, 7, 8 minute ride down to Kendwa. Hello my friend, how are you? How much does it cost to go to Kendwa?
20,000.
20,000?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Where do you come from?
I'm from Zanzibar.
Zanzibar?
Yes.
I'm from Sweden.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Are you Rastafari?
Yeah, I'm living like a Rastafari, Rasta Muslim.
You have nice, cool, it's cool, the Rasta.
Yes, sir.
For me, I get also, when my hair goes long,
Yeah.
it goes like this.
Why not? Someone...
This is Baraka from Zanzibar.
Stone Town, yeah.
Stone Baraka. Baraka, my name's William.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. You like Bob Marley?
All the reggae.
All the reggae.
This is all.
Wondering if you have a hotel room for tonight.
Yeah, we have how many nights?
So I have arrived back here in Kendwa where I was last week. I think this is the best place. There's a huge beach here and you have a sea view. $70 per night here, quite good compared to many other places I've been to, and yeah, it's so nice. I just took a nap. So nice, the bed is perfect here. This actually is my favorite hotel. We came here last week and had some food on the rooftop. That's the best restaurant I've been to here in Zanzibar. And now I'm staying here in the hotel, so I have direct access to the food. Just one step up the stairs and I will be there. So this might not be the best video that has value for people, but I think it's important, as I've said before, to document our life. So there is a trace of us. I was staying right on the beach with a really incredible view of Kendwa beach. I really like this hotel. It's so cool, the lighting. I really like the lighting, it's awesome. And the AC is so cold. 16 degrees Celsius. The air is coming. I woke up the next day and went out on the balcony. The weather was incredible, so I went straight for some snorkeling. I swam down a couple of meters to search for something. And I think curiosity is the secret of happiness. I got down to the bottom and could see some crazy sea urchins, but also some nice scenery. There were some clownfish, but most of them were hiding in the seaweed. I had a good life at this hotel, and I had had some good food, and also danced with the local Maasai people that come from a tribe up in the northwest part of Tanzania. The days went by and I was about to pack my bag again and head out.
Bags packed again, and it's time to go. Time to go.
I got into a taxi and we're going further down south on the island again, and was thinking about traveling to a different country. So please, if you want to see where I end up going, subscribe to the channel and also leave the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and also post a comment. But see you in the next video.